Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is remarkable, after all that has happened in the American economy, to still hear the talking points of the banking industry and the securities industry repeated verbatim without criticism, simply parroted. That the banking industry is really all about helping folks. That's what caused the problem. They were trying too hard to help people. They loaned, perhaps not wisely, but too well. The reality is this is not going to affect the availability of credit. We've got plenty to judge that by. There have been rafts of economic studies by real economists and peer-reviewed journals that show that when you can compare lending practices in one place and another at the same time with different laws, there is very little, if any, difference. Now, the minority has tried to tap into the American anger at banks by calling this a bailout. The reason that the banking industry is so virulently opposed to this is the only proposal to deal with the foreclosure problem that does not give them tax money. We aren't begging them. We aren't bribing them to do the right thing. We will make them do the right thing. They will modify mortgages in the way they should have voluntarily, involuntarily, in bankruptcy court if they don't do it voluntarily. Mr. Gomer suggests that this is somehow going to be wild, arbitrary, the Wild West. No one knows what a bankruptcy court will do, what a bankruptcy judge will do. Mr. Speaker, there have been thousands of bankruptcy cases. The law is very clear. The procedures are very clear. The judges do this all the time. Everyone involved in bankruptcy knows exactly what will happen, and it will be a very predictable, orderly, logical modification of mortgages in bankruptcy so that borrowers will come out with the mortgage they should have gotten, if they should have gotten a mortgage at all, and the lender will come out with a mortgage they should have made in the first place. Do something that banks won't like to solve this problem, and that is this bill.